looking to start your investment journey in 2024, whether you are aiming to build wealth or simply grow your savings, these top 5 investment strategies will set you on the right path. Stay tuned. First on our list is stock market investing. Stocks have long been a go-to option for investors. In 2024, the market continues to offer opportunities for those who do their homework. By buying shares in individual companies, you can take part in their growth and earn substantial returns over time. Next up, index funds and ETFs. These are perfect for beginners because they offer a hands-off approach to investing. By investing in a broad market index, you are essentially buying a tiny piece of many companies at once. This strategy reduces risk while still allowing your money to grow with the market. Look for funds with low expense ratios to maximize your returns over time. Real estate investing has always been a solid choice, and 2024 is not different. Whether through purchasing rental properties, investing in REITs, or even though crowdfunding platforms, real estate can offer both passive income and long term appreciation. Make sure to research local markets and understand the trends before jumping in. Cryptocurrency is still a hot topic in 2024. While it's more volatile than traditional investments, it also offers potentially high rewards. If you are comfortable with taking one on more risk, allocating a small portion of your portfolio to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum could be worthwhile. But remember, only invest when what you can afford to lose, as the market can be unpredictable. Finally, for those who prefer a hands-off approach but want to stay diversified, robotic advisors are a great option. These platforms use algorithms to manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. They are ideal for beginners who may not have the time or expertise to manage their portfolios actively. To recap, the top 5 investment strategies for beginners in 2024 are stock market investing, index funds and ETFs, real estate, cryptocurrency, and robo advisors. Each of these has its own beneficial risk, so it's crucial to choose the one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more investment tips, and leave a comment with your favorite investment strategy. Here's to your financial success in 2024. Thanks for watching.